Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We want to show our presentation about quantitative research. And Group 4 are Nabilah Nurfajri Maharani, Amelia Mustikailah, Putri Nurmaulida, and Bagas Effendi Wibowo. Okay, here there are three pillars of quantitative research. The first is reliability, second validity, and the last generalizability. Two main strands of quantitative research design are experiment strand and correlation survey. Next. Here there are 5 types of quantitative research. The first, correlational research. The second, experimental research. The third, quasi-experimental or casual comparative research. The fourth, ex post facto research. And the last, survey research. Okay, for the next will be delivered by Nabilah.
Okay, next is question and answer. In this presentation, there are 5 questions. First, when do we use quantitative research? We use quantitative research when it describes or analyzes the problem from our research or to find the correlation that explain the variables and commonly use the statistics. For the second question, what are the role of the literature review? Literature review in quantitative research. A literature review makes a case for further investigation and research, highlighting gaps in knowledge and asking questions that need to be answered for the betterment of the discipline. As such, its content are selected to make the case and focus on particular question or area research. For the next will be delivered by Putri Nurmaulida.
Okay, for the Q&A and the third is the select on research article that you have worked with before and pay attention to variable and the instrument used to get the data. Write the title of the article and the information about the variable and instrument. For the title is ICT and Learning Attitude Towards Student Academic Paragraph Writing of English Language Education Study Program FKIP Universitas Sriwijaya. For the variable is academic paragraph writing and ICT and the last learning attitude. For the research question, there are the effect of ICT in academic paragraph writing, and the second, the effect of learning attitude in academic paragraph writing, the effect of ICT use the learning in academic paragraph writing, and the last, the contribution of the two variables in academic paragraph writing. For the method, there are correlation study for the 80 students of the second semester, and the instrument use 15 item ICT questionnaire and consists of 15 item and 20 item learning attitude and student writing documentation. For data analysis, a person product movement. For the second question, what the type of quantitative research is used in that article? That article use correlational research. For the next slide, will delivered by Bagas Effendi Wibowo.
you, Miss. Hello, guys. I'm the last person want to deliver about research. Maybe you are have to get knowledge about the summer research my friend delivered last time about the research, and I want to continue some research to you in order you have or you get knowledge about the research. And the last question and answer of research is, what statistical formula is needed for data analysis in that research? From the article. Answer, the correlation coefficient is a value that indicates the strength of the relationship between a variable. The convention can take any values from mean 1 to 1. The interpretations of the value are mean 1 is a perfect negative correlation. The variable tend to move in opposite direction, or example, when one variable increases, the other variable decreases. And 0 is no correlation. The variables do not have a relationship with each other. And the last, perfect positive correlation in the symbol 1. The variable tend to move in the same direction, or example, when one variable increases, the other variable also increases. And the last slide, we want to give some example in the statistical ICT in learning attitude towards student academic paragraph writing. In the red table, example for student writing, statistical ICT. In the cream table is about learning attitude. There are interval, category, number of student, percentage. And the last table, blue table, score, range of ICT use. Maybe just it for us give you some about knowledge in the research, all about research. We will hope you get knowledge after watching our video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.